If you've ever watched your little ones struggle through teething, you know, those tiny teeth can mean big discomfort. But you don't always need fancy products or medicines to help your baby feel better. Let me share some gentle, natural ways to soothe those sore little gums. First up, cold can be your best friend. Pop a silicone teething toy or a clean wet washcloth in the fridge, not the freezer. Let your baby chew on it for a while. The coolness helps numb the pain and calm those swollen gums. A gentle gum massage is another magic trick. Just wash your hands and then softly rub your baby's gums with your finger or a silicone finger brush. That little bit of pressure really helps relieve pain and can even encourage those teeth to move along. If your baby is over 6 months, try offering cold foods. Chilled cucumber, mashed banana, applesauce using a mesh feeder. Not only does it soothe their gums, but it's also healthy and delicious. Don't forget about the comfort of breastfeeding or bottle feeding. Nursing can be super soothing, but if your little one starts biting, take a pause and offer a teething toy instead. And sometimes, distraction is the best medicine. Cuddles, singing, a new toy, or some gentle rocking with soft music can work wonders. Now, if teething pain feels overwhelming, talk to your pediatrician. Only use doctor-approved gels or infant paracetamol. Never over-the-counter gels with benzocaine or home remedies you haven't checked with your doctor. It's also really important to know what to avoid. Never freeze teething toys or washcloths. They get too hard and can injure delicate gums. Skip amber teething necklaces, honey, or alcohol on gums. These can be dangerous for babies. And here's a bonus tip. Start brushing once you see that first tooth, using a soft baby brush and just water until they're 18 months old. Teething is tough, but with a little patience and these gentle remedies, you can help your baby get through it with a smile.